Namaste. Good morning to all. Welcome to today's episode of Doctor Talk. Today we have an eminent guest from Ayurveda, Dr. Mahinur. Welcome, doctor.
Namaste. Thank you.
Nowadays, most of the people in our place, especially after COVID-19 pandemic, are suffering from cough and related problems. Today, our topic of discussion is cough. So, doctor, actually, what is cough?
Actually, cough is the act of expelling air from lungs with sudden sharp sound. In Ayurveda, cough is known as Kasroga.
Okay, doctor. What are the reasons for developing kasa?
Most important cause of cough is the excessive exposure of smoke, dust, and polluted air, along with excessive exercise, intake of very dry food items, entry of food into wrong channels like trachea, and suppression of natural allergies, especially sneezing. It can cause cough.
Is there any different types of cough, doctor?
Yes, the fundamental principle of Ayurveda are based on three doses, that is Vata, Pitta and Kapha. So, cough can be classified as a three dose. Among it that cough due to traumatic cause, that is Chhatas, and due to extreme weakness of body, that is Chayas, also has explained in our science.
Okay, doctor. Can we recognize cough by seeing any prodromal symptoms or pre-symptoms?
Yes, we can recognize cough by seeing the symptoms like itching in throat, feeling the pricking in the throat with thorns, and feeling of obstruction in the throat.
Okay, doctor. Anyway, how the cough occurs?
According to Ayurveda, our body has 5 types of Vata: Prad, Udan, Saman, Vyan and Apan. Among these Vata, where Udan Vayu obstructs somewhere and it will lead to Kasroga.
Okay, doctor. You have said that there are 5 types of cough. Is there any difference in the symptoms of these?
Yes, there are some different type of cough. The sputum is very little and dry in Vatika Kasa. Along with that, different kind of pain like headache, chest pain are also present in Vatika Kasa. Sputum in Polic Kasa will be yellow in color. Like burning sensation in chest and bitter taste in mouth are also present, and in Kaphaja Kasha is the little much different. In this cough will be productive amount of sputum will be more. Along with that, sweet in mouth, like a sweet taste in mouth and running nose is occur. And in traumatic cough, blood mixed with sputum will come out. Pricking pain in chest is